Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a flooded golf cart. First, prioritize safety by immediately disconnecting the battery's negative terminal. This crucial step prevents any electrical shorts or further damage. Next, carefully assess the extent of the water intrusion. Look for visible signs of water in the battery compartment, motor, and controller areas. A thorough initial inspection will guide your repair process and help identify the most affected components. Remember, safety first always. Once the initial assessment is complete, the next critical step is thorough drying and cleaning. Use compressed air to meticulously dry every electrical connection, the motor, and the controller. Any residual moisture can lead to long-term issues. For corroded terminals, a mixture of baking soda and water works wonders. Scrub gently with a wire brush. After cleaning, apply a generous amount of dielectric grease to all connections. This provides a protective barrier, preventing future corrosion and ensuring optimal electrical conductivity. Now let's focus on the heart of your golf cart, the batteries and fluids. Test each battery cell individually. A healthy 6-volt battery should register around 6.3 volts. If any cell reads significantly lower, it likely needs replacement. Next, inspect the differential fluid. If it appears milky or cloudy, it indicates water contamination and must be drained and refilled immediately. Use the manufacturer's recommended fluid type and quantity, typically around 1.5 quarts, to ensure proper lubrication and prevent gear damage. With everything cleaned and reassembled, it's time for the final checks and testing. Reconnect the battery, positive terminal first, then the negative, ensuring all connections are tight. Before hitting the course, perform a cautious test drive in a safe, open space. Listen for any unusual sounds and observe the cart's acceleration and braking. Pay close attention to the battery charge indicator and motor temperature during the initial uses. This careful approach helps confirm your repair was successful, and the cart is ready for many more rounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.